What's up everybody, Landon here with LMR.com. Today I'm going to be breaking down and installing Steeda's Ultralite 2-point G-Trac brace designed for the 2015 to 2018 S550 Mustangs. Alright guys, this Steeda Ultralite 2-point G-Trac brace is engineered to improve chassis stiffness to your S550 Mustang's K-member. Steeda claims that this will improve the vehicle's response and predictability, and it weighs approximately 5.5 pounds. They manufacture this brace out of high-strength steel and powder-coated black for durability from the elements. Included in the kit is all needed hardware for installation and shims, which allows the brace to be adjustable for added header clearance if it's needed. This G-Trac brace will fit all S550 models except for the EcoBoost convertible. Now, depending on your long tube header setup, the brace will clear the majority of aftermarket long tube headers. To install this ultralight brace, support the car via a lift or jack stands. Position the brace into place and check for header clearance. No worries on installing this wrong, it will only go on one way. If spacers are needed, they will be positioned in between the brace and K-member. More than likely, there will be leftover metal slag inside of the K-member. Use a pair of needle nose pliers and remove the slag. Once the slag is removed, check to see if the spacer will slide through the opening. If not, use a small drift and hammer to flatten the metal. Check to see if the spacer will properly fit. Once the spacer lines up with the holes, repeat these steps for the other side. Ensure that there is a washer underneath the bolt head and then pass it through the opening in the brace. If a shim is needed, slide 1 or 2 over the bolt. Install the brace and loosely tighten the provided nut. Do the same for the other side. Use a series of 22mm sockets or wrenches to fully tighten the hardware. You can either tuck the small wire into the K-member or you can cut it off. Double check your work, get the car on the ground, and then you're all finished. Wrapping things up here guys, this Ultralite G-Trac brace from Steeda is an absolute must-have. At a particularly low price point, it's a solid upgrade for track-minded Mustang owners. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.